Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to remove objects from a video. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply open CapCut on your phone. We're gonna use CapCut because it's free and it's easy to access, so you have it on your phone. Simply click on New Project, and now I will choose the video that I want to remove the objects from. So I'm gonna select this video right here. I'm gonna click on the Add button, and now once you add the video, you should simply choose the quality, and after that you will have to click on the video and make a copy of it. So I'm gonna duplicate the video, and here you have the video. Now you're going to have one video of them down to the other. So let's say that this one right here, I want to drag it to the bottom of this video. And now in order to do so, you just have to click on the scene, the second scene. Then you should search for an option saying overlay. So here you have it, overlay. And now you can drag this video to the beginning of the same video that you have. And now we have two duplicates in your timeline. One duplicate is for the overlay or the mask or to remove the object, and one another for the background. So you need to keep this concept on your mind. Now I want you to choose the bottom video, then I want you to choose mask. So you just have to click on, yes, this one right here, mask. When you just click on it, you will now have to choose which type of mask do you actually need. So here in my case, I'll choose the circle. It doesn't really matter, but the concept is the same. The area that I want to mask it is on the circle shape. So I'm gonna just drag it like so, okay? I'm gonna zoom in, zoom out, just like so by using two of my fingers. And to be clear, I wanna actually remove these guys right here. These guys, okay? I wanna remove them. So I will choose something that actually can be used as a background, okay? So I will choose this one here, for example. I'll choose this area as a background. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on the mask itself, hold it like so. Then I'm gonna drag it like so to do a patch. And here you have it. You have made actually a very perfect patch. And you can adjust the type of mask according to what actually is the object that you want to remove. So here in my case, I want to remove an object that is actually can be best made by using the square or the rectangle mask, not the circle mask. So here I did a small mistake, but you get the concept and you can understand what's actually happening. And now what you should do, I'll simply click on the mask right now, the mask itself. I'm gonna go back just like so, click on mask. And now if you want to change the transparency, you can hold this arrow to the down area, okay? Just like so. And here you have it. It's completely perfect. Now you cannot say that there was an object on the top right side, okay? And that's it for our today's video. You can also do some edits for the saturation and the brightness in order to make it more realistic. But here in my case, I do not want to longer the video. And that's all, guys, for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.